way you want. These cut here, pegs. Hello guys. Okay, I just went out and bought this 48-inch toe plug aerator. It's got a 2-year limit warranty, and it has a 10-inch never flat tires, so that's a plus. It's 48-inch by 16 heavy-duty steel tray, and you can add up to 140 pounds of weight. Of course, you add weight on it so the aerator can punctuate the ground. And I'll probably give you a demonstration when I do use this here for the yard out there. But the whole purpose of this is it's supposed to punctuate and dig into the ground so there'd be more air to help the grass and more nutrition get to the grass root. And before I would go out and rent one, you pay like $130 for it, and you gotta go pick it up and lift on your truck, and it's pretty heavy. So I figured just buy one. This is only like 200 bucks. It's just not a bad price. So you'll probably great investment, probably pay off itself here after a couple use. And I also can use it for my business here. So let's get started. Let's unbox it and let's see what's on here. Now, I heard that it's gonna take you about 2 hours to put it together because there is a lot of moving parts. A lot of moving parts in these, and then these I heard get the teeth, or whatever you want to call it, they do get worn out, so you have to sharpen them once in a while after a couple use. And you want to use it when the dirt, after it rains, I say a day or two, let the rain soak the ground, make it a little bit soft. So if you use it when it's dry, like it is now here in Indiana, it's been like 2-3 weeks without any rain, it will probably damage or ruin these. So okay, well, let's get started. I'm gonna unbox it here. A lot of phones. Okay, as you can see, these, we have the 10-inch wheels. Wow, they're really nice. You hear that? So they're made out of rubber so that they won't go flat. That's a good thing about it. And we got these here, Aerator, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's not bad. So these already came pre-assembled. I know some of them you actually have to put these on yourself, so that's a plus. That's a good thing. So it's not gonna take me 2 hours like I thought it would be. It'll be a lot easier. Okay, let's inspect these. Look at these. These are very well made. They're heavy, and they look really thick, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you got this piece here. Oh gosh, this is heavy. Okay, I got about probably 160 pounds on here, and these are weigh about 60 pounds each. So yeah, about 150, 160. All right. Wait. Check, make sure everything's secure. Huh? see, this is what you want. We're pulling up some inch cut here, pegs, about 1 inch peg, so it's actually pretty good. And I waited. It rained yesterday quite a bit, so but it's been really dry here, so I waited till it rains. You don't want it too wet, but I think today was kind of perfect. You can see the dirt. It's wet but not too wet. That's what you want. And as you can see in the video, I drove really slow speed. You don't want to go too fast because you want the aerator to penetrate the ground, pull up, and then drop the pegs and move on to the next one. Yeah, so after you're done, I would take a screwdriver, clean it out here, and then double check your blades here. Sometimes they might get damaged, or they're might need sharpened. So yeah, that's how I do it, and then I'll spray it down here. Take a screwdriver and get each one of them. Pushing them, they're pretty easy. You want to do it. Comes right off. Yeah. Comes right off really easy. And just lift it up and flip a little bit, rotate. And this is the next one. But you want to make sure you wear some gloves like I am, because if you can't slide, you hit that blade. It's actually really sharp. But yeah, I recommend it. It's actually a quick investment. It's good. Beats renting one at the store, or renting one out at the stores somewhere and paying like $150. This one you pay like $200 for it.
Sebastian, what are you eating now? What are you eating? Oh my gosh.